Looking for the washroom.
Dialogue 1.
That Carrie is playing hell with my insides.
Nothing is the matter with me.
Is there a comfort station nearby?
Yes, on the left side at the end of this way.
Is there an entrance fee?
No, it's free of charge.
Excuse me for a moment. I'll be right back.
Dialogue 2.
Where is the women's restroom?
Do you see where that woman just turned around?
Are you talking about the one in the blue shirt?
Yes, that one. Go there and turn right.
Thanks. My husband also needs to go. Is the men's restroom there, too?
Yes.
New York.
Dialogue 1.
This Central Park, isn't it?
Yes, we can enter by the main gate.
Okay, wow, it looks very large.
Right, it covers an enormous area.
Do you come here often?
I like to come whenever I have time. It's very nice weather, so it's pleasant to take a walk.
Not too many people today.
No, but no Sunday and holidays. It's quite crowded.
Dialogue 2.
Well, what do you think of this city? Is it bigger than you thought?
Yes, I'm quite impressed.
The subway system is pretty well developed now.
It looks wonderful. Do the roads go all across the city?
Yes, it's a big network.
So you can drive anywhere very quickly.
Yes, it's very convenient.
Hawaii.
Dialogue 1.
Welcome to Molokini Snorkel Cruise.
Oh, wonderful.
Come aboard our 55-foot power catamaran, the Frogman, and let us bring you 3 miles off the shores of Mali to an ancient volcanic cinder cone called Molokini. Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready?
Ready?
Molokini is a world-class dive area and a marine life conservation district seabird sanctuary known for its colorful sea life and clear water.
How about the visibility?
It often exceeds 100 feet.
Great, look, so many fishes.
They are tropical fishes with good luck. You'll be able to see monk seals, whale sharks, manta rays, and tip reef sharks. Anyone want an ice-cold beverage?
No, thanks.
Don't forget they are provided. Free of charge all day, ready to serve you anytime.
Haha, thanks.
Dialogue 2.
I want to make a fun trip on the island. Could you give me some advice?
Sure, I'm planning to take part in a funny tour.
What is it?
It is Starlit Tropical Ocean Fun Cruise.
What is it?
It is Starlit Tropical Ocean Fun Cruise.
Diving on the sea.
Yes, it includes starlit, snorkeling lesson, and guided snorkel tour at the Rainbow, reef, fishing, water slide, water trampoline, kayaking and other fun water tours.
How did you know?
On internet, why don't you browse on net and get more about it?
I would rather do that. In fact, I have almost decided to go with you.
Yeah, so that would be a wonderful tour, open sun deck, relaxing expert narration, and marine life identification by the captain and crew, freshly grilled BBQ lunch buffet, open soda bar.
London.
Dialogue 1.
I'd like visit the famous spots in London. Can you tell me what they are?
Well, the British Museum, Buckingham Palace, the House of Parliament, Big Ben, Oxford Street are all good points of interest in the city, especially the palace. You should never miss, because it's quite unique.
Oh, I can't wait to go, but I have only one day. So do you think I can visit all of those places in one day?
No, you can't unless you want to take a quick glance.
That's too bad, but I still can choose a few of them. What's the best way to do my sightseeing?
In that case, I suggest you call a cab. It would save you a lot of time.
Dialogue 2.
This is Westminster Abbey. It's one of the oldest buildings in London. You will recognize different styles from its architecture.
Busts and monuments remind us of William, Shakespeare, Walter Scott, and many others like that.
To the left, you can see the House of Parliament with the famous clock tower. Big Ben. In this building there are the House of Commons and the House of Lords.
There, to the left, you can see a small street called Downing Street, number 10. The last house has always been the residence of the British Prime Minister.
Now we're approaching Trafalgar Square.
This is Tower Bridge, the most striking of all London bridges.
Look, the bridge part's in the middle, and the two halves move upwards, downriver, stretch the London docks.